In this video, we will be learning about some of the types of data structures that is used to load the data, as well as an example application for the big data analytics. So prior to the data analysis, the required data must be collected and processed to extract the useful information. So the degree of this processing as well as data preparation, it depends upon the volume of data as well as how straightforward it is to understand the structure of the data. So the degree of processing, it depends upon the volume as well as the way in which the data is loaded. So we have four types of data structures: structured, semi-structured, quasi-structured, and unstructured. Structured, it is defined as a specific and consistent format. For example, the data table. Semi-structured, it has a self-describing format. An example is XML file. Quasi-structured, a somewhat inconsistent format. Example, hyperlink. And unstructured, it has an inconsistent format which includes text or video. Then coming to the example, that is business process analytics. What is a business? So business is a process which helps in having a collection of structured activities or tasks that need to be executed to reach a particular goal. Here the goal indicates producing a product or delivering a service. So some parties will be included in this business process, which they are managers, employees, and their clients. Managers will be the process owners who expect the work to be done in a correct way and fast and correct way. Employees will be they require clear and understandable guidelines and tasks that are in line with their skill set, and clients, they expect efficiency and quality results from their suppliers. So employees, they need specific guidelines in order to implement their skill set, and clients expect efficient and quality results. Learning about the business process model, here we take for an example the insurance claim intake process. The process can be explained using this diagram: claim intake, review policy, evaluate claim, propose settlement, calculate new premium, approve damage payment, close claim, reject claim. These are some of the phases in which the business process model is encountered for the insurance claim intake process. One significant focal point of business process model is actual improvement and optimization of the processes and gaining insights on recorded business activities. So for any business process model, mainly it focuses on the improvement of the processes. Improvement of the processes means optimizing the processes, and it gains insight from the activities that is being performed. So all the activities are included, that is included in this business process life cycle, can be seen in this diagram, which starts with the design phase, design and analysis of the business process, which includes model building and validation. Design design, then modeling, execution. Once model is built and validated, it can be used for testing and implementation and testing. And once it is success in sample data, it can be used for execution and monitors the difference in the data that is given from the real world environment. Then optimization will be carried out, which and evaluation, which in turn leads again to the design of new processes. Then process intelligence, it is mainly the last part of the business process model life cycle, which includes evaluation. Evaluation, from the figure we can see evaluation is the more optimization or evaluation can be taken as the last part of the business process model, where the concepts of process analytics and process intelligence fits in. It also describes the tools and techniques that will be used in order to support decision making. Business activity monitoring and corporate performance management are some of the terms that is being used, where business activity monitoring, it refers to the real-time monitoring of the business processes. Any change in the pattern, it takes immediate action. Corporate performance management measures the performance of a process or the organization as such. So the tools, the problem that it suffers is they are unable to provide real insights for the new patterns. This is the dashboard that is used for process intelligence. Observing the differences in the graphs and the plots, it will take immediate actions. Process mining and analytics. So what we have learned earlier is process intelligence, then process mining and analytics, which is placed between business process model and traditional data mining. It also provides some set of tools in order to gain insights about the process as well as improve the process. So it takes a bottom-up approach, that is, it starts from the real-life data to drive some analytical task, and it is built on existing approaches such as data mining and model-driven approaches. So data mining techniques, they are too data-centric, and business intelligence, it focuses on simply the dashboards, and it based on the dashboard information it reports. So this helps in enabling the true business process analytics. Making use of the tools, it helps in enabling business process analytics. An important task in the area of process mining is called process discovery, which aims to derive an as-is process model which starts from the data and to be descriptive model. Okay, as-is process model and to be descriptive model. As-is process model, it starts from the data as it is, and to be descriptive model means you will be aligning the actual data to some model. A significant advantage of process discovery is that only a limited amount of initial data is required to perform the first exploratory analysis. Only with a limited amount of data, a first exploratory analysis can be given. For example, in case of insurance claim handling process, to perform a process discovery task, we start the analysis using the event log. So event log is a data table that lists the activities that have been executed during a certain period of time together with the process instance to which they belongs to. So in this case, the activities, so in the event log will be having some list of activities. Those activities will be sorted based on the starting time. And if multiple processes are there active at the same moment in time, then execution of some activities will be overlapped. So multiple processes, if it is occurred at the same time, means this activities are overlap. We can say that our activities are overlap. So as-is process model, it provides an overview of how the process was actually executed. So in this case, the activities will be sorted based on the starting time. and then an algorithm will be used in order to iterate over the processes and creates a flow of work between the activities. Activities that follow each other will be put in a sequence, and when a same activity is followed by different activities over various process instances, a split is created. So same activity is followed by different activities in some process instances. A split will be created. When two or more activities or executions overlap in time, execution will be carried out in parallel, both flowing from a common predecessor. After executing the process discovery algorithm, a process map can be obtained. So this slide shows a process discovery algorithm, how the algorithm will be iterating over the process in order to create the flow of work. So there will be some list of activities, and that list of activities will be sorted and will be put in a sequence. Here we can see an example. So this is the event log which has some list of activities one after the other. What is the first task to be done? You have to sort the activities. So you will be having a completion time, start time and completion time will be there. So based on some sorting process, based on the start time or based on the completion, based on the start time, we can number or sort the activities. So here we can see during 13th some activities were done. Activities were done like claim intake, then evaluate claim, review policy. Okay, so we can number it and see when this completion is being done. So first claim intake 10-11, then after that 13-8 itself one is completed. Claim intake second time also it is taken. Then next date is on 16th or on 13th itself, third category, that is evaluate claim is performed. 3. Then review policy. 4. Okay. Then 17th proposed settlement. 18th calculate new premium. 19th propose settlement, approve damage payment. 21 again approve damage payment. 24 close claim. 25 calculate new premium, claim intake. 26 reject claim, and 28 close claim. So this is the sorted order of the different activities. So starting with claim intake 1, then again claim intake second 2, then third one is evaluate claim. So that is occurred frequency counts, how many times the same activity is repeated, that is given in that box 1. Review policy. So here on 16th 2 activities is being completed, 13th 2 activities were initiated. So from claim intake it is splitted into 2 activities, one is evaluate claim and the other one is review policy. Then propose settlement. So propose settlement is like from this evaluate claim and review policy, you have to generate the proposed settlement. So an arrow will be drawn like this because the it is claim intake, it is split into two: evaluate claim and review policy. So from both